Hi guys, Aniq here.
Ellie here.
Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews.
So today
we have the Elgato HD60 S Plus capture card. So this capture card it's like any other capture card mostly, but so it has a lot of other features which we'll tell once we open it. Right?
So on the box,
so you guys can see the front of the box. That's how it looks.
Yeah.
And the back.
And on the other side, it says inside the box. It says on this side it says game capture card and what's inside it.
Yeah.
One HDMI and one keyboard.
Yep. So now let's open it. And now it opens as like a flap, and you see what's inside. So let's take these out. That and
ooh, sticker. That's cool.
These. So Ellie, let's move that to the side, and let's see what's here. So over here we have a USB-C to USB 3.0. We also have a HDMI 2.0 over here. A sticker that looks pretty cool, and user's manual. So we'll put these to the side and we'll look at this. So this is the HD60 S Plus capture card. This is the model that comes after the S itself. So one feature that the S doesn't have but this has is 4K 60 pass-through. So it would allow like 4K 60 to like go through it, and then it would like bring it out as 1080p 60, which is cool. And Ellie?
Yeah, and also, so this is, for example, this is for like recording on console and stuff. So like a Sony PS4 or an Xbox or Nintendo Switch.
So this can be, this has so you just plug it in. So how it would work is HDMI in, and the HDMI in is coming from your console or whatever and goes in this, and another HDMI, which is HDMI out, it just goes over to the display or the TV. So Ellie, right here. Let's show them. So here's one HDMI. So let's pretend this is the HDMI going over to the TV.
Yeah.
That goes to HDMI out.
HDMI out.
And over here we have another HDMI, the Nintendo Switch dock, and the Nintendo Switch.
So we'll put it in.
So let's say that your Nintendo Switch is here. You just plug this in here, like that. This just goes into the Nintendo Switch dock. Let's do that. There. So that, and then this just goes into your TV. Or anything. So I can just plug this into the TV, and we can just play normally.
And also, this is the USB-C to USB 3.0 cable.
Here, so this USB-C to USB 3.0, this goes over to your PC, which then detects the display, and you can stream from it, and you can also like do other things with their software. Okay, so with the software that this is compatible with from Elgato, this can do flashback recording. So even when you're not recording, it is technically recording. So you get like some clip you want, so you can just go into the software and you're able to go and like see what's happened back and record that, and you can upload that. And
also, it has unlimited storage. That means like whatever storage is, for example, 64 GB on this, that's the storage it will. So you might need to limit it from the software of recording.
Yes, so the storage for this is the same storage as your PC that's recording on. And this is sometimes used for streaming. So people sometimes have one streaming PC and one gaming PC. So they just put this into their gaming PC, and they play on their gaming PC, and on their streaming PC they have their the USB in, which is playing.
So we'll be using this for our Nintendo Switch, and like we're gonna start streaming, and you guys should go check our gaming channel.
So this can also be used with our Oculus. You can go check that video out too. And this is pretty cool. It's gonna be pretty useful too. So thank you guys for watching this video.
Please like this video.
Remember to subscribe to our channel.
I'm gonna hit the bell icon.
Bye.